So good day, sir. I am Redmar Arsendon. This is the discussion about the Group 1 presentation. So first, we're going to uh, discuss about the objective of this report. Number 1, signature. 2, classes of forged signature. 3, traces signatures. And 4, indication of forgery. So signature, the name of a person's written when it is own hand in document, a sign of acknowledgement. So example aning signature is kanang para mahimong magamit ni siya sa mga document. For example na diha ka nang magpirma bitaw kag kuan. Usually ginagamit gid ni nato labi na sa pagkuan sa document. Guided signature, a signature which executed while the writer's hand or arms is stated any way classified as a guided or assist signature. Under the law of most jurisdictions, such as signatures authenticate a legal document provided it shows that reader request assistance. Guided signature are most commonly written during serious illness or deathbed. So, na mga klase-klase nga type sa signature, which is formal or incomplete, informal or cursory, or careless. So, ang formal is a signing of very important document. So, paano na magkangkag mga formal nga document, mo na mga example sa formal signature nang mo pirma kag sa kuan. Informal, just for routine documents kanang sa then careless scribble used for not important documents such as delivery o mail receipt ang mga resibo ra kibali. So classes of forged signature, we have a simulated signature, the freehand drawing in imitation of model signature simulated with a model before the forger. He makes an effort to obtain reproduction of model signature. He works only slowly strokes and after stroke. So number 1 is direct technique. So direct technique, forger works directly with ink. Ang gamit ani sa pag-forge is kanang directly gid sa ink. Indirect is techniques. Forger works first with pencil and towards cover pencil stroke with ink. Simulated freehand forgery. Classes of forged signature. Trace signature. So trace signature, a trace signature of a genuine signature outline. Direct tracing copy is made transmitted light. So direct tracing, example ano is kanang kanang pa gamitan nimo transmitted light para ma-forge gyud ang isa ka document or signature. Indicate indirect tracing. Forge use or carbon. So there is sa indirect is maggamit pa kag carbon, which is mo ni gamiton sa pag-forge sa document. Kaya ang carbon is kung unsay magtatakma na siya sa likod sa carbon, using carbon ma-trace up na nimo ang kuan sa pirma. Types of traces signature. Carbon process. So mao nang ginayong gayna gamit ang carbon is pwede na itong ma-forge ang document or signatures. Types of trace signatures. Indentation process. The document contains the model signature is placed on the top of the forged document. The forger trace with considerable pressure over the creates intended signatures outlines. So dili gid siya kayo ma-perfect gid kibali. Although ma-forge ni ang signatures, but dili gid kayo mo kang tungod sa pressure or over signature genuine. Types of trace signatures. We have a transmitted light. So mo ginanggay na nga once nga makuan sa transmitted light is simple ra kayo sa pagkuan kay iguran nimo na sundugon. Bali ang light nasa ilawom. Then ang document nga gusto nimo nga or pirma nasa babaw para maklaro ra gid nimo. Kaya ra nimo siya ma-forge. Types of trace signature. We have a simple forgery. Simple forgery does not try to copy a model but writes the sometimes resembling we ordinarily call a signature. For this, he use a false name and makes it rapid stroke. This burn his usual adapting indication of forgery, simulated and traced. So daghay mga klase sa indication sa forgery. You have slow writing, carefulness, no rhythm, blunt beginning and endings. Kabali ang ang genuine gid sa pag-trace pag-forge sa usa ka signature. Dapat na kay kuan careless carefulness or usually deliberation, no contrast between the upward and downward stroke, wag gyud kuan kabalik. And slow writing dapat hinahinay ra nimo, then dapat accurate gid siya. Mao ra to. Thank you.